To export Monday.com items, start by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the board that contains the items you want to export. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to export items from the board. First, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select the Export option from the drop-down menu. This will open the Export panel where you can choose the format of the export, such as CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets. Next, select the items you want to export by checking the boxes next to each item. You can also choose to export all items on the board by selecting the checkbox at the top of the list. Then, choose the columns you want to include in the export by checking the boxes next to each column. You can also choose to include all columns by selecting the checkbox at the top of the list. After selecting the items and columns, click the Export button to start the export process. Depending on the size of the export, this may take a few seconds or several minutes. Once the export is complete, you can download the file to your computer or send it to your email. It is also a good practice to review the exported file to ensure it contains the correct data and format. In addition, you can also use Monday.com integrations to export items to other apps, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. This allows you to automate the export process and save time. Best practices for exporting Monday.com items include regularly exporting your data to ensure you have a backup, using clear and descriptive column names to make the export easy to understand, and limiting the amount of data you export to only what is necessary. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily export Monday.com items and use the data to inform your business decisions or integrate with other tools and systems.